Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home and garden. Today, we're diving into the world of rustic outdoor dining decor and tips to transform your dining outdoor space into a cozy and inviting retreat. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you're looking to transform your outdoor space into a cozy and inviting retreat, this style might be just what you need. Let's explore the meaning, benefits, and tips for creating a rustic outdoor dining experience. Rustic decor, characterized by its natural elements and warm, inviting atmosphere, has gained immense popularity in recent years. When applied to outdoor dining spaces, it creates a serene and charming ambience. Rustic outdoor dining decor emphasizes the use of natural materials like wood, stone, and rattan. It often incorporates elements inspired by rural settings, such as farmhouse tables, vintage lanterns, and weathered textures. The overall goal is to create a space that feels relaxed, comfortable, and connected to nature. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, rustic outdoor dining decor offers several benefits that can enhance your outdoor living experience. The natural elements and earthy tones of rustic decor can help reduce stress and create a peaceful ambience. A beautifully designed rustic outdoor dining space is perfect for hosting friends and family. A well-maintained outdoor space can increase the curb appeal and overall value of your property. Now that you understand the basics of rustic outdoor dining decor, let's explore some practical tips for creating this style in your own backyard. Here are some of the tips for how to decorate your outdoor dining space with rustic style. Choose sturdy, weather-resistant furniture made from natural materials like wood or wrought iron. Incorporate natural elements by adding plants, flowers, and greenery. Consider incorporating a small herb garden or a water feature. Create a cozy atmosphere with string lights, lanterns, or candles. Incorporate rustic accents like vintage signs, antique decor, or woven rugs. Pay attention to textures by mixing and matching different textures, such as smooth wood, rough stone, and soft fabrics, to create visual interest. To complete your rustic outdoor dining space, consider adding these essential items: wooden dining table and chairs, outdoor fireplace or fire pit, rattan or wicker seating, rustic planters and flower pots, vintage lanterns and string lights, natural textiles like linen or cotton, stone or brick pathways, wooden pergola or arbor, outdoor bar or serving station, outdoor rug or throw pillows. And finally, to complete your inspiration, here these the compilation of the top 10 best rustic outdoor dining decor ideas. 1. Create a cozy outdoor seating area with a fire pit and comfortable chairs. Imagine gathering around a crackling fire pit with friends and family, enjoying the warmth and ambience. Add comfortable chairs or cushions for a cozy and inviting atmosphere. 2. Add a touch of elegance with a wrought iron chandelier or pendant light. Elevate your outdoor dining space with a stunning wrought iron chandelier or pendant light. This will create a focal point and add a touch of sophistication to your rustic decor. 3. Incorporate natural elements like a moss-covered wall or a stone fountain. Bring nature into your outdoor space by incorporating natural elements like a moss-covered wall or a stone fountain. These features can add a sense of tranquility and relaxation. 4. Use vintage or antique decor pieces to add character and charm. Vintage and antique decor pieces can add unique character and charm to your rustic outdoor dining space. Look for items like old signs, vintage lanterns, or antique tableware. 5. Create a focal point with a large, rustic wooden dining table. A large, rustic wooden dining table is a must-have for any outdoor dining area. This will serve as the centerpiece of your space and create a gathering place for friends and family. 6. Hang a macrame wall hanging or a woven tapestry for a bohemian touch. Add a bohemian touch to your outdoor dining space with a macrame wall hanging or a woven tapestry. These pieces can add texture and visual interest. 7. Use outdoor throw pillows and blankets to add warmth and comfort. Make your outdoor dining space more inviting by adding cozy throw pillows and blankets. These will help to create a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. 8. Plant climbing vines or flowers around a pergola or arbor. Create a romantic and enchanting atmosphere by planting climbing vines or flowers around a pergola or arbor. This will add a touch of greenery and natural beauty to your outdoor space. 9. Create a rustic outdoor bar with a wooden countertop and vintage bar stools. If you love to entertain, consider creating a rustic outdoor bar. This will provide a convenient place for guests to grab drinks and snacks. 10. Add a touch of whimsy with a vintage bicycle or a decorative wheelbarrow. Add a touch of personality and whimsy to your outdoor dining space with a vintage bicycle or a decorative wheelbarrow. These items can be used as decorative pieces or for storage. By following these tips and incorporating rustic elements into your outdoor dining space, you can create a beautiful and inviting retreat. Remember, the key to achieving a successful rustic look is to focus on natural materials, warm colors, and a sense of comfort. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your rustic outdoor dining oasis today. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring home decor ideas and tutorials. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.